Oh, is there a surprise for me? That too in this box? Let me see what it is. Oh, that's a tape for me. Hi all. Today we'll be learning how to make an easy origami bird in the next box. So I used a thick paper to do this. Then that's why you see that the folds are a little bit tough to see. I used lots of pressure to do it. But you can take just a light sheet to do it. The reason why I took a thick sheet was to make it more stronger. So are you eager to know how to make this? Let's get started. So you need a square sheet of paper. First we need to fold it into half. Then now unfold it. Turn and repeat the same fold. So now we can see a line in the center. You need to take this flap and fold it towards the line. So I folded one flap and now we need to turn it over. And take this flap and fold it towards this line. And now all we have to do is to open this pocket and bring this down. So you can see now in the center line, you can take this flap and bring it towards it and fold. We need to make sure that we crease well. Repeat the same here. You can see this line, it needs to get aligned with the fold that we with this fold. Repeat the same here. So now we can just flip it and repeat the same steps. You can bring this side, turn over and do the same. You can see this flap, we need to fold it towards the center. Similarly here. Turn over and repeat the same. So if you see, these steps would be similar to that of a star box. Yes, it is. We are just doing a little bit changes to it. So if you also want to learn how to do star box, just look out in the description. So now we need to fold it towards like this. Turn over and repeat the same fold. But we need to fold this flap like this. Similarly here. We can now unfold this and you can see 2 points here, right? We need to fold this like that between those two points. And we need to make sure that we crease it well. Open it, flip it, and you need to repeat the same steps again. Unfold it. And crease it well. You see, creasing this will be a little bit tough because there are lots of layers of paper, but make sure that we need to crease it well. Unfold it. I can just open this. And we need to just now we can see the 2 points here, right? We need to check this entire fold and then crease it. So again, once again, creasing this will be a little tough, but we need to make sure that we crease it. You know, and you can just erase the crease like this, turn over and repeat the same fold. Just erase the fold, erase the crease, fold it up, crease it and unfold it, turn over and just again do the same, crease it and then unfold. So now we are going to do a tricky step. So you can remember that we already did a fold, right, like this. So if you want, you can just mark it. And now we can see a center point here and center point here, right? So it's not necessarily when you're supposed to mark. I'm just showing this because if you are a beginner in origami and you want to try this, you can just mark these. You can see this point, you need to bring it towards this line. Again, do it like this in both these sides. You can see you need to repeat, turn over and repeat the same fold. So now we are going to squash this fold. We are supposed to squash this fold. I'm going to bring this fold towards the center line. So this is going to be the tail of the bird. And you can just bring it down. And now we can make the beak. For this we need not fold, we can just bring it downwards for the beak. So this is the beak. You can now just open the box. And I see that we have got a box. You now just like push it down, and our box is ready. If you pull the wing, it will be as if the bird is pecking. Or it will be as if it's pecking. And also you can just put surprises and give it to your friend, and like you can ask them to pull the wings and the box opens. So I hope you enjoy this video. This is a great box which acts as a gift box. You can use it. You can just put candies inside it and maybe give it to your friends. So if you want, you can just do it in a thick paper to make it even more stronger, and that's what I did here. So I used 2 papers to do it. That is, I stuck 2 papers back, yellow and blue, and then did it. So if you are doing with a 2-color paper, say blue and white, and you want blue color to be the bird's color, you need to start with the color side up. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.